All right, guys, we're going to assemble our new Maverick bar. This is version 2. So almost the same design, just slightly different. This now has a one piece instead of a removable piece that was on the end of the arms. Still can remove the foot plates, and that's just through this one single bolt here, and it's got a quick knob so you can take it off real quick if you're doing things like glute raises with the bar. Very, very simple to assemble, and there's just going to be 6 bolts altogether, 3 per side. There is 12 half-inch washers, 6 per side, and then 3 of the lock nuts per side, so 6 altogether. And we're going to start over here, doesn't matter which direction, and just slide it on. Going to put the bolt, you can put it from top down or from the bottom up. I like to do it bottom up so I can actually see it pass through. But what you want to do is put a washer on first, pass it through, another washer, and then I'm going to put the nut on. I like to use an impact. You don't want to over tighten, get it nice and tight, but don't tighten this one yet because there is some play in this. You can move it back and forth so you can hit that hole just right. So again, bolt, washer, and you're going to pass it from the outside of the bar to the inside of the bar. Just put it through here, and now it moves left to right a little bit so you can find that hole perfectly. Just get it lined up, pass that through, another washer, another nut. So simple. Bolt, washer. Should line up just right. If not, move it forward or back. So that's how you do it. I'm just going to show you the one side because it's the same on the other side. A couple things about this. It is now, these holes are very precise. So they're going to be tight at first. And then actually on the inside of the extension arm, on this bottom side right here, there's actually a piece of UHMW protectant tape. It doesn't need to be there. I put it there to take up a little bit of that space. But if these holes, when you try to pass the pin through, again, it will take a little time to get these holes kind of where you can use them and pass it through real simple. Just kind of a break-in period. But if they don't fit right, you can actually take this piece and take it off, and it'll give it a little more room for it to drop down. It, like I said, it doesn't need to be there. I just put it there just to tighten some of those tolerances up. But in most cases, it's still going to work perfect. But there we go, nice and simple. There's lots of videos showing how to use it. There's going to be new videos for the new version, although it is very similar to the old version as far as setups. There is one less hole on this one. So when you're counting on the old one, most things, like deadlifts, for most people was on hole 4. Now it's going to be on hole 3 for the average person when you're, say doing deadlifts. So that's just something, something to note versus version 1. Besides that, very simple. I guess since this is all pretty quick, you want to take this out, attach this, pull it out. Now you no longer have that stabilizing weight. Put it back in. Very, very simple. Now I'm just going to attach the other side, get everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. So if you do have any problems, any questions, let me know.